Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to change colors in Amigurumi. So when you get to your last stitch, or the stitch you're ready to change colors, you do not yarn over and complete that stitch. This is where you're going to pick up a new color. What I do is pull that working color in front and hold it so my loops don't get too loose, and then I'm going to take the new color and drape it over my hook, leaving a decent tail so I can secure it. And then I'm going to pull it through that last stitch to complete the stitch. Now we can see this is pulled loose a little bit, so I'm going to pull that green down to where the stitch is about the same size as the others. And now I'm ready to continue with the pink. And I'm going to hold both the pink and the green tails behind the next several stitches. I'm going to work into that stitch and under both of those tails, and I'm going to encompass them in several stitches. So since these tails are going to be inside our stuffed toy, we don't need to follow it very long, because we can always cut these and tie a knot and they'll just hide right inside. Some people like to carry it longer, but I feel like it adds bulk and I can kind of see it, so I don't want that. So I'm going to leave it after 3, and then I can just knot those together inside and not have to worry about it anymore. So that's a simple color change. I'll show you one more time how to do that color change. Here I am ready to change colors. I'm going to hold the working color in front and pick up this new color. And this color change is going to happen the same way, but I don't have that green end to hide because I still have it attached inside. It's just coming from the last green round that I did straight up. So that's one benefit of changing colors in Amigurumi, where your ends are going to be hidden inside, so you can just carry yarn anywhere you need to. Now I'm going to pull this pink a little bit so the stitch is the same size as the others. I'm going to hold it behind the next stitch and continue with my green, working over that pink end for 2 to 3 stitches. Now I can continue working with my green. We can see that when we change color each round, the round change is a lot more noticeable, and it does make a seam. So there are a lot of neat little tricks on YouTube to get rid of that line, but this kind of color change works for me. Thanks for joining me. I hope you found this helpful.